Found a VBS file and worried it might be harmful or just unsure what it does? This is a VBScript file, a Windows scripting format that's genuinely powerful but demands careful handling before execution. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to safely inspect and work with these script files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor VBS errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. VBS files are script files written in VBScript, Visual Basic Scripting Edition, a Microsoft scripting language built into Windows. They contain executable automation scripts for system administration, tasks, file operations, registry modifications, Active Directory management, and COM object interaction within the Windows environment. VBS files use plain text encoding containing VBScript language code with Visual Basic-derived syntax. Scripts access the Windows script host runtime environment and COM automation objects, including FileSystemObject WScript.Shell and WMI for system management. They execute via the wscript.exe or cscript.exe host engines. Windows Script Host from Microsoft Corporation offers a certified solution for the VBS file type. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows may display the syntax, but the logic executes only within the proper environment. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your VBS file and click Open With. If Windows Script Host is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. When a VBS file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The error you're seeing is standard for a VBS file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, safely inspecting the script. Before running any VBS file, right-click it and select Edit or open it in Notepad to read the source code. Review the script contents for suspicious operations such as file deletion, registry changes, or network connections. Never execute a VBS file from an untrusted source without inspection. Next, running VBS scripts. To execute a VBS script, double-click it to run via wscript.exe with dialog-based output, or open a command prompt and run cscript filename.vbs for console-based output with text displayed in the terminal. Use cscript for scripts that produce text output or require command line argument passing. Finally, debugging and editing. Edit VBS files in Visual Studio Code with a VBScript syntax, highlighting extension, or in Notepad++. For debugging, use the command cscript JAWScript file name.vbs to launch the script in the Visual Studio debugger. Add wscript.echo statements to display variable values during troubleshooting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.